Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood in 2025. If you're excited about getting into crypto but feeling a bit overwhelmed, you're in the right place. Bitcoin has evolved a lot, and with Robinhood's user-friendly interface, buying it is simpler than ever. Let's jump right in. First off, why Robinhood in 2025? Well, by now, Robinhood has rolled out even more advanced features like enhanced security protocols and real-time market insights, making it a top choice for beginners and pros alike. But before we start, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up. If not, download the app or head to their website and sign up. It's quick and often comes with some educational resources on crypto. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the Crypto tab. It's usually front and center by 2025, thanks to the growing popularity of digital assets. Step 2. Search for Bitcoin. Type BTC into the search bar, and you'll get all the details, current price, charts, and any relevant news. Remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so always do your research first. Step 3. Decide how much you want to invest. Robinhood lets you buy fractions of Bitcoin, which is perfect if you're just starting out. Tap on Buy, enter your amount, and review the order. You'll see fees and estimated costs up front. Transparency is key here. Step 4. Confirm your purchase. Double-check everything, then hit Submit. Your Bitcoin should appear in your portfolio almost instantly. In 2025, Robinhood might have new tools like eye-driven alerts, so keep an eye out for those to manage your investments better. A quick word of caution: crypto is risky. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and consider using Robinhood's security features like two-factor authentication. Also, stay updated on regulations, as they could change by 2025. There you have it. That's how you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Let's build that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.